Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are unboxing my February Simply Gilded sub box. This is adorable. So this is an Alice in Wonderland theme. So we get the postcard. We got two of them because I am assuming because the Simply Gilded on this one is black and on this one it's foiled. There might be more differences, but I can't really tell what they are. That was the only thing I saw, so either way, very cute. And they are passports, which you know I love. And then, let's see, let's do the washi box last. And let's get rid of this foofy stuff. Okay. Let's look at the stickers. Always so exciting to see what it is. Sometimes I watch the videos, and sometimes I don't. This time I did not. I had like no time. I was mostly asleep. Thank you for your patience while I dealt with the COVID. Okay, so you get your date dots and icons. And this whole kit, I think, is in light gold foil. And then you get a sheet of deco stickers, also with the light gold foil. And then we've got our sheet of full boxes and bow headers. Every adventure requires a first step. That's true. And then we've got our day covers, a couple of to-dos, the smaller boxes, the gratitude box, and then these headers, which I can read, but I still wish they were a little bit bigger on this one, but at least I can read them this time. And then we've got deco and bows, icons on hearts, icons on flags, more flags, and then these are strips, checklists. So we got more deco and less flags now, which is great. And then we've got a couple more checklists, some more headers, which you can read, smaller boxes. These are all strips. And then these are decorative boxes down here. So this is really cute. Trying to decide when I want to use this. Maybe March. Maybe March. It's got a rabbit, right? And then we've got the pen. Which, you know, I love the pens. So it's got the light gold hardware. And it's like a pearlescent blue. I'm not sure if the pearly part's going to show up. It looks like it is. And then we've got all the card symbols down here and a heart on the top. So that's the pen. And that leaves our washi box, which is adorable. They're always adorable. And we've got a lot of washi here. Alright, let's see. Small ones. Let's do them by size. All those match. That's different. Small. And those are the same size. Okay. Alright, so we've got blue and white striped. Shoot, what you call this? Stardust. So we've got like pink in there and the light gold foil and some hearts on that blue and white striped background. So that's really, why am I all the way over there? That's really cute. I like that one. And we've got these small ones. So these are two different sets of all the card symbols. So this one looks like it's a purple-ish background, and this one is on white. And they have the light gold foil. And they are very cute. And then we've got this one, which I'm guessing goes with the passport. There's the rabbit and the watch. Hang on, I'm losing my eyesight. And the castle's back there. Trees and flowers. It's all very cute. There's the Cheshire Cat. That's what I was looking for. Wanted to make sure that he was there. And now this one is like a bunch of deco, so it's all different stuff from throughout the kit. Lots of clocks, hearts, teacups, plates. So I guess this is like the tea party one. Maybe, I'm not sure. And then this one we've got our blue stripe again, and bows, and the Cheshire Cat. I love the Cheshire Cat. Really, really love the Cheshire Cat. So that's really cool. So that is the February sub box from Simply Gilded. I accidentally paused it. I think it was January. Yeah, January. I meant to change my payment and accidentally skipped my sub box. I don't really know how I did that, but I did it. So that was a lot of sadness for me because I really liked that box and it sold out, so I couldn't even like change my mind and order it later because it was gone and it's not coming back. So I'm very sad about that, but this is super cute. So that is our Simply Gilded February sub box. Thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with a couple of your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.